It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me some to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. You got to save yourself.
So song 1 was an R&B type song with a very soft voice. Between the 3 headphones, this is how I'm going to rank them. I have Skullcandy coming in at 3rd place, Sony coming in at 2nd place, and 1st place I have the JBL 770NC. Now we have a hip hop song. So let's see how they perform with hip hop.
Hey, hey, I gotta cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many, I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I couldn't shake. So I just keep killing till I'm at the gates. We straight, we treat them like worms in a lake. They bake, just give me a drum and a bass. I skate and grind till I'm numb in the face, okay? Don't fuck up my day, don't talk about clutch. I got ice in my veins, I'm coated in tray. I stick to the code, I'm glitching the game. I do anything for the win at the end of the day. I gotta cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Legends don't die anyways. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Legends don't die anywhere.
All right, let's talk about how they performed with the hip hop music. So the Skullcandy, it couldn't quite handle all the bass. Did you hear the popping in the Skullcandy? If you didn't hear it, go back and listen. It's in there. Now, maybe that's just the set of headphones that I have, and this is not an overall issue, but it is clearly in there. You hear it popping at times with the hip hop music. And it's not between switching between the Skullcandy and the JBL or whatnot, because sometimes there's a little pop in there when it switches, but this is actually when it's playing if you listen very closely. JBL sounded great, but for hip hop, that's Sony just kind of evened everything out. So here's my ranking. Third place is Skullcandy because I heard the popping in there. Again, if you didn't hear it, go back and listen. Number 2 this time is JBL, and first place is going to be the Sony 720N. So y'all let me know if y'all agree with me or not, or which one of these you want to get, or what you want to hear next. Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.